A marketing communication strategy is a significant tool for guiding the interactions with consumers. Planning is important for ensuring success in achieving your communication goals. In this video, I will talk about the process to follow in developing a marketing communication strategy. A clear marketing communication strategy details how information will flow to achieve the intended marketing objectives. How the right message will get to the right people at the right time and in the right manner. It helps to inform, sensitize, and persuade your customers in a structured manner. A communication strategy guides you so that you stay focused on your target audience and objective. It guides on message development and selection of the delivery channels. It helps assess message understanding by the target audience. A good communication strategy provides clarity and simplifies the work of message development. It helps create messages that are relevant and motivating to the target audience. A good communication strategy can improve interaction and help you receive information and feedback from your audience. Now, to the 6 M's of developing marketing strategy. The first M is for mission. This represents the purpose of your communication. What is the objective of your marketing communication? What exactly do you want to achieve? You need to clarify your agenda. The reason for starting with your mission is that it helps you to recognize who to direct your communication to. It helps you to stay focused on agenda. Common marketing communication objectives include to inform, create awareness. We are always talking about creating awareness, to persuade consumers, or to even get people to change their behavior or attitudes. It could be to inform about your product, what it does, its benefits, what it's for, and who it's for. The mission could be to increase sales or usage, or to attract them to a certain outlet or online platform. Marketing communication objectives should be SMART. SMART as in S for specific and clear, M for measurable, A for attainable, R for realistic, and T for time bound. The second M is, for the lack of a better word, male or female. It's a question. Basically, it's about identifying your exact target audience, the people who you want to communicate with. Who do you want to reach with your message? Refer back to your mission in order to clarify your objective, because once your purpose is clear, it becomes easier to identify who to direct your communication to. In many cases, the target of marketing communication could be customers or your sales team. It could also be distributors or retailers or other stakeholders who you need to speak to. So you need to be very specific. In each case, you need to clarify the defining factors, the demographics and other factors of this target group. The information about your target, particularly their gender, their age group, social status, income, location, and the like. The more you know about your target audience, the easier it will be to develop an effective message. Some companies gather lifestyle and personality data to help understand their target audience better. And this makes it easier to communicate with the target audience, because you tend to develop messages that are very focused, that really generate interest, and which really speak to that group. It also depends if your communication is for consumers, that is B2C, or for business clients, B2B. The third M is for message. You need to develop a compelling message. The message is the idea or information that you want to convey to your target audience. You need to decide the exact message that you want to pass. And you need to decide how to say it in a way that is compelling to the target audience while addressing the intended marketing communication objective. To succeed in getting people to behave in a specific way or to take a particular action, then the type of message you use should be engaging, interesting, aligned to what matters to the target group, and it should be expressed in a compelling way. To be persuasive and compelling, a message needs to follow the principles of the AIDA model. That is A for attention, I for interest, D for desire, and A for action. This works in developing marketing messages where the intention is to persuade, to motivate, and to influence people to act in a certain way. The fourth M is for media. You need to select the media or channels of communication that you will use. Again, this depends on the first three steps. So you look at the audience, that is the men and women, you look at the mission, and you look at the message, the first three M's. Then depending on the target audience and the purpose, you could then decide to use face-to-face communication or electronic media or social media platforms or even broadcast media as appropriate. Now, when selecting the channels, you consider what you want in terms of reach and frequency, message focus and target group, as well as cost effectiveness. The fifth M is for money. There are several ways to determine the budget for marketing communication, and you could consider the objective and cost method, where you seek to achieve an objective and apply the cost that will be relevant for achieving that objective. Another way is to look at the value of the sales targeted and then take a percent of that. The sixth M is for measurement. It's important to decide how you will assess the effectiveness of communication early on. Evaluation is important in marketing communication as it helps you to determine the success of the message conveyed in achieving the objective of marketing communication. Feedback is crucial in helping you understand if your message was understood and accepted by the target audience. To assess communication effectiveness, you can use a survey with the target audience or assess goal achievement, such as sales and the like. And depending on the objective, maybe you could even use data analytics if it was an online communication. To sum up, the 6 M's in developing marketing communication strategy are: 1, mission or objectives. 2nd, male or female, that is for target audience. 3rd is message. 4th is media or channels. 5th is money or budget. And 6th is measurement or evaluation of the communication. Using the 6 M's approach will help you improve your marketing communication planning and give you an advantage in the marketplace. Thank you and best wishes. Keep watching. We all need to elevate our mindsets at this time.